Alright, hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about pie charts in Excel. The reason I'm doing pie charts is because I was discussing pie charts under Insert tab, under the Insert tab in the last episode about, basically Insert tab. I ran into some snags halfway through recording, and I got a little bit confused. It looks like I didn't know enough about, or as much about formatting pie charts as I did then, but yeah, and so since we're using some sort of like donut shape here. You can go here, you can click on, for example, pie charts. The donut shape here is here if you kind of click the insert chart drop down. But yeah, so basically this is just going to be a short one. We're going to be formatting our chart titles and our chart features. So do alt text, bring to front. Well, what we're going to do is format because that's the most important thing you need to know about. So just click on chart. You can see the chart title is on, legend is on. So I'll start with chart title. Chart title, we can change the chart title. We can change it to countries. And it gave us a new title here. Oops, I added an extra C. Top position, we can put it anywhere we want. We can put it above. Well, usually we can just put it above. We can also put in an overlay, which just kind of makes the sort of donut look a little bit bigger, but you can see there's some sort of overlap here, so we don't want that, so we're going to go back to above. Font, you can just change the font. There are several fonts here you can use. Use that. Got a little bit bigger. Font size. Well, it's a different font, so it will be a different size now. And it's at 12. Fill, again, we have just fill automatic. If we change to blue, basically it's just the top portion here gets changed to blue, or the chart title gets themed to blue. If we do autofill, it just goes back to regular. We can choose an outline. We can choose, for example, what color. It's just a box here, and I think the name goes across the edge of the box. So that's what we can do with the outline. Outline default. Okay, that was the chart title. The legend. It's pretty simple too. You know, have the position. For example, this is a legend here. It's positioned on the bottom, so we can change that. We can change it, put it on top. We can go left. You can go right, or you can go top right, and that's basically the options for positioning a legend. Of course, there's an overlay here which does the same thing. You know, it just puts some overlays. The top and bottom. It's the same thing in chart format, but yeah, the font again should be pretty self-explanatory. We just did that under chart title. Same thing as fill, outline. Again, that applies to the text. Series 1. That's our bread and butter. Again, we can change the series. It's not showing up here, so we don't really need that. Fill, again, we can just do automatic. Series 1, I think, would be listed somewhere if we had it, but we don't really need it or have it right now, so we don't need to use the colors for outline. Donut hole size, we can change the size. Like, for example, we can just, the further we go down, the smaller the hole size is. So it's pretty much what it sounds like. Now we have data labels here. Again, this is also going to be very useful, so we have to turn them on. Label contains series name, of course, just the name of the series. Category name, it'll give us the names. As you can see, they're all kind of on top of each other here, so we'll do something with that first. Value, again, it just overlays the value on the donut. Go back to category name, does the same thing again. So value, percentage, again, they're all listed on the donut. You can see, for example, Nigeria has 74% of the 5 countries of nominal GDP, and the legend key will show us basically which one corresponds to which on the legend. So we'll just leave value. We'll set this for percentage for now. Comma is a separator, and then basically this is what it sounds like. You know, if we change it to semicolon, I don't think really much happens, but I guess this is sort of for other uses of Excel line. Font, again, we have the same thing. Fill, outline. Okay. And of course, we have the source here. Sheet 1, setup, slice, sheet. It's not exactly all that useful. But if we go back to format, should be able to find, let's see, label columns. Let's see, I'm trying to find an option where you can, let's see, I think I'm missing something, so I'm going to just go back over to this. So chart title, new, overlay. Let's see, so okay, there is a way to there's a way to kind of redisplay these numbers. Outside, I'll figure out. Yeah, okay, so it looks like there's not really an option here under format. It should be somewhere else. Well, if I do find it, though, I'll put a link in the description. And basically, but yeah, that's pretty much the whole video about formatting your pie chart. Again, most of it worked, kind of just went through it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give a comment, subscribe.